Welcome back, everybody. In this video now, I'm going to go over the circular pattern or circle pattern. Now, I did my rectangle pattern post sketch, so the piece was actually extruded, and I was working with like the 3D shape to cut out this one here, so it was already cut, and I worked on it without the sketch. In this one, I'm actually going to be working inside of the sketch, kind of show a little bit of different perspective on it. So you can do it before extruding or after extruding. Now, I'm inside the sketch, looking at my front view. Now I have my circle here. I don't have any dimensions on it or anything, just the size of it. Just for example's sake, I don't really need anything like that. And then now, go to create, go to circular pattern. My objects, I'm going to select my circle that I sketched, my center point. Now, if you can, let's see, yeah. So you can actually select the center of my circle, or even if you had a rectangle, you could still do a circle pattern on that. You would actually just have to place a point and then give Fusion like your known point versus circles. They're much easier a little bit to use. You can do the outside of it or the actual center of the circle. So if you select outside edge or if you select inside, it'll do both of them for you. Now, this 3 right here, this is your quantity. So last time we kind of saw this on this pop-up window. Oh, actually, it's also kind of up here too. So the quantity here, you could do it inside here or on this little window if you kind of scroll through it a little bit. And I know it's tough to see. So let's just see. I'll change this to 6, let's say. So 6 circles. Now, for your little option here next to 6, it says full. This is your full 360 degrees from here all the way around. If you change this to partial and then move this arrow, you're at 200 degrees, and you can move this all the way around depending on what kind of design you're making. So I'll change it back to full. It's going to keep 6 all evenly spaced out, 360 divided by 6, and then that'll be your spacing center to center around this circle. Now, I might be asking, well, how does it know from this center to this center? How are they all equal? Well, if you had a dimension probably from center to center of your circle, that dimension then would be used for your circles all the way around kind of this the circle that has these dashed lines, your center lines. That's what it would be keeping the consistency based off. But I don't have that dimension. I showed you before. It's just a circle here. I just put it on kind of my horizontal axis. So you can add that later and then really fine tune and define what you're looking to do. So I'll hit OK now. So I have all my circles. So let's say I hit finish. I was going to go extrude this now. So let's hit extrude. I can select all of them here at once. And let's, instead of cutting, let's have them come out. So 1/2 inch. And there you go. So you have your big circle, and then you have 6 different pegs coming out. That's it. This is how you would use your circle pattern for actually extruding.